Okay, good morning, everyone. I'm a bit emotional because it's my first time, but today I'm trying to do a very short video lesson for you since we're not meeting each other for a little bit. I hope you are well, that's the important thing, but unfortunately, we cannot meet at the moment, so here I am. Listen, today I would like to have a look at some of the topics I would like to do in class, I would have done in class with you, if possible, and dealing with the future. So, as you remember, we were doing the future in class together and we took some notes. So, first, I would like to revise a little bit the rules about the future, and then I want to give you something to do at home. Talking about the future, we saw that it's possible to express a future situation, a future statement in English using present simple, present continuous, to be, going to, and will. Present simple is used when we talk about events. So, talking about events, for example, the bus, a concert, or an airplane, or some lessons or timetables, here we use the present simple. And we said, for example, the concert starts at 8 tomorrow. What time does the bus come here? Or what time does the airplane take off? So here, these situations can use are to be used with the present simple. Instead, when we have an action, so we're talking about a person doing something, when this action is programmed, in that case, we use the present continuous. And so, for example, we said the Prime Minister is coming to Milan next week, or we have arranged something for the next summer. We are going to Rome. We have already planned everything. We booked yesterday, we booked the tickets, and so we are sure about what we are doing, and we use the present continuous. Okay, that is for programmed actions. Talking about to be going to is used when we're talking about predictions, but predictions based on facts, on data. So we see something, and this something makes us think about something that is going to happen. That boy is jumping, and so we suppose I think that the boy is going to fall down. It's a prediction based on facts. Instead, yes, and the to be going to is also used when we're talking about intentions. So, if we intend to do something, if we have a desire, if we are supposed to do something, we can use to be going to. What are you going to wear tonight at the party? I'm going to wear a red dress with blue shoes. Okay. This is an intention. And then we talked also about will. Generally, everybody thinks that will is the only future to be used, but it's not true. Will is used with offers, promises, when we ask somebody to do something or when we offer to do something. Will you open the door, please? Will you help me with the bag? And this is will and want for the negative. And will is also used for immediate decisions. So if the telephone is ringing now, I can say, "Oh, don't worry, I'll answer that. I'll answer that phone call." Okay. Immediate decision and offer also. Then will is also used when we're not sure about something. So I'm sure, I'm not sure, I think, I don't think, supposition, something uncertain, we can use will. Will is also used for weather forecasts. Be careful because you can listen to weather forecasts that can be done with to be going to, a prediction based on facts, or with will. Generally, we listen to predictions made with will. So generally, we use will. And this is what I wanted to tell you today. If you remember, I sent you a few days ago some vocabulary about the weather, and I just wanted to connect the two topics, so weather and will. Generally, we use will. I have prepared a short weather forecast. I invented this weather forecast, so it's not true, it's invented, it's imaginative, imaginary, and I can read it to you now. And then what I'm asking you to do is please prepare a weather forecast of yours. It's not to be true, it is invented. So you can use, just as an exercise, will and the weather forecast vocabulary I gave you. Okay, so now I can read it to you, mine. I can read you mine, and then you can write yours and send it to me via email. But then, now let's listen. I have a picture here, but this picture is completely invented, so it's just an example. Hello everyone, I'm Sarah and welcome to the Weather Channel. Here is today and tomorrow's weather for Italy. The sun is shining in Rome with 16 degrees. Today the temperature is in fact quite warm, but be careful, tomorrow it will be cold and rainy and temperatures will go down to 13 degrees. Let's look at Milan now. It's a pleasant sunny day, just a little bit windy, but tomorrow will be foggy in the morning and a bit chilly because temperature will really go down. So in the evening, don't go out if you can, because it will be pouring with rain. If you live in Milan, just stay home and read a book on your sofa. In the south of Italy, wind is blowing strong today, but tomorrow temperature will be warmer and clear sky, no clouds at all. Okay, so it's all for now. Bye from the Weather Channel. Thanks for watching. So this is what I invented. Very simple, as you saw, just to use the vocabulary and use the future. So please, you can try to do the same as a homework. Write your own weather report or weather forecast. If you want, you can add a picture. You write everything on a document and then you send it to me. You can use my email as always, or if you want, you can also use the message function that we have in our virtual classroom. Maybe the email is better because virtual classroom doesn't always work, but you can choose. Okay. So I will repeat your homework in Italian and then it's okay for today. Allora, giusto per correttezza ve lo ripeto anche in italiano, quindi i compiti che vi avevo dato fino ad oggi sono le pagine di upgrade workbook, spero che le abbiate fatte e se ci sarà modo poi ci metteremo d'accordo per una chiamata globale dove ci sentiamo tutti e correggiamo anche gli esercizi. Poi vi avevo chiesto di guardare il vocabolario sul tempo atmosferico e spero che l'abbiate fatto con anche gli esercizi presi da un libro che ho io, quindi vocabulary. Poi adesso quello che vi chiedo di fare ora invece, che valuterò come esercizio, ma comunque metterò una valutazione per il momento, è questo. Allora, inventate voi una previsione del tempo. Potete prendere una foto da internet per ispirarvi, o più foto, potete guardare anche dei video, ve ne manderò uno tra poco. se non ve l'ho già mandato, ma ve lo manderò, per, potervi appunto ispirare e, poi scrivete la vostra previsione del tempo. Decidete voi se volete farla in Italia o in Inghilterra, come volete, per oggi e domani, oppure per oggi e poi tutta la settimana. Insomma, scegliete voi, deve essere, piuttosto articolata, cioè e soprattutto dovete cercare di utilizzare i vocaboli che abbiamo imparato e che vi ho mandato. Uhm, poi una volta che avete scritto la vostra previsione del tempo me la inviate. Spero che sia tutto chiaro. Per qualsiasi domanda io resto a disposizione, potete scrivermi via mail oppure utilizzando la messaggistica, di Tibidabo, che è la messaggistica presente all'interno dell'aula virtuale. Io spero che riusciate ad utilizzare l'aula virtuale. Avete visto che ci sono tante voci in alto nell'aula virtuale c'è il planner dove si possono segnare gli eventi, cosa che farò. C'è la fase di progetto, dove ho già scritto alcuni messaggi di ciò riguardo a ciò che stiamo facendo e spero che l'abbiate visto, non so se lo vedete anche voi, ma penso di sì. E poi c'è la parte video live forum dove vengono caricati i video, la parte di test, che vediamo se è possibile sperimentare nei prossimi giorni, ma comunque ve lo farò sapere prima, non preoccupatevi. E poi c'è appunto questa funzione messaggi dove io posso scrivere, voi potete scrivere e quindi utilizzatela. Ho visto che anche il professore di matematica vi invita ad utilizzarla. Ehm, Poi sapete che potete anche scrivermi via mail e anche, c'è la sezione materiali dove, se ho ben capito, posso caricare io, come nella precedente sezione materiali, ma potete caricare anche voi. Quindi cerchiamo di sfruttare queste nuove tecnologie per rimanere in contatto. Spero che stiate tutti bene, fatevi sentire, fate i compiti, mandatemeli, il prima possibile. Quindi oggi è martedì, se riuscite potete già mandarmeli per domani o mercoledì, o scusate, o giovedì e, cercate di farli e di mandarmeli, poi, ci risentiamo per delle novità. Intanto per oggi abbiamo provato questa novità del video. Buona giornata e take care.